Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Copy.ai for product page SEO copy step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to www.copy.ai. On the home page, look for the sign up button located in the top right corner. Click on the sign up button. You will see options to register using either your email address or a social media account. If you prefer using your email, enter your email address in the designated field. Create a secure password and enter it in the password field. Review and agree to the terms and conditions by checking the appropriate box. Click the Create Account button to proceed. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Copy.ai. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Once verified, return to the Copy.ai website and log in with your registered email and password. Upon logging in, you will be taken to the main dashboard. Now, locate the Templates section on the left sidebar. Click on Templates to view the available writing options. Find and select the product page SEO copy template from the list. You will be prompted to enter details about your product. Fill in the required fields, including product name and description. You may also add keywords that you want to include in your SEO copy. After entering the necessary information, click on the Generate button. Copy.ai will process your input and generate SEO copy for your product page. Review the generated copy to ensure it meets your expectations. If necessary, you can edit or refine the text directly within the platform. Once satisfied, copy the SEO text to your clipboard. You can now paste the text into your product page on your website. Congratulations, you have successfully registered with Copy.ai and created SEO copy for your product page. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.